you've finished the assignment that I gave you before, I'd like you to try the walkabout around the room. It has stations A through H, where you're just going to practice graphing quadratic equations and answering some simple questions regarding the axis of symmetry, vertex, domain, and range. First, I'm going to have to divide this into two videos because just the way my computer's working at the moment. I'm going to show you how to enter this in and create a table. So in order to take this and create a table, first we're going to enter it into Desmos. And let me make sure that we're on problem A. There we go. So I'm just going to type in the quadratic equation here, y equals x squared minus 4x plus 7. Okay, I'm going to double check that I've got it correct. Y equals x squared minus 4x plus 7. Excellent. And it should have given you a quadratic graph down here. I can zoom out if I want to see that a little bit better, or zoom in if needed. Now, in order to make a table, I hit Edit List. And do you see how on the equation that I entered, it gives me the option for a table? I hit Create Table. And it gives me a table right there below. This will give you points that you can enter into the table on your worksheet. Now, you'll notice that not all of them are filled in. You might not want to use negatives. You can always add numbers to the bottom of the table here. I could add in a 3 or a 4 and keep going until I have enough numbers of whole numbers to enter into the table. Okay. The other thing that you're going to be needing to do is identify the vertex, and I'm going to use these points as well as the vertex to graph this on my sheet. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit and see if I can identify the vertex. Vertex is the lowest point in this case because our parabola is going from up to down and down to up. So I find my lowest point, my vertex is here. If you're having trouble, you can close out the points here and it'll show you where the vertex is if you click on it. You'll notice that when I click on it, it highlights both the y-intercept and the vertex here at 2, 3. So I'm going to make sure to record 2, 3 as my vertex. So after you've watched this video and you're comfortable graphing them, then go ahead and watch the second video on how to complete the first problem.